Did you just install WordPress for the first time? You're not sure where to begin? You're looking at the dashboard like it's some kind of spaceship? Well, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'm going to simplify everything so that you can begin building your first website. Welcome to ABL Mindset. My name is Jairo, and in this video series, we're going to be breaking down WordPress step by step so that you can begin building websites with confidence. If you're not sure where to get WordPress hosting, the one that I use and highly recommend is hosting.com. Their customer service has been solid for me since day one, so I'll be dropping that link in the description so you can check them out whenever you have time. So there are a few things that we're going to cover in this video: admin toolbar, dashboard home, posts versus pages, media library, appearance, plugins, users tab, settings tab, and how to install your first website builder. So let's dive in. All right, guys. So when you first open WordPress, this is what you see. At the top, this is the admin toolbar. Here you'll see quick links. You'll see comments. You can add new posts, new media, new page, users. Here you can see I have the coming soon plugin because I don't want people accessing this because this is just for example. Coming soon mode active. If you have other plugins like WooCommerce, you might see something from WooCommerce up here. You can access your website with just one simple click. And your dashboard, this is your dashboard here. It's an overview panel, and here you'll see if apps need to be updated. You can see pretty much anything that WordPress wants to show you. You'll see that here in the middle. And you can arrange these however you like. You might want to see site health status. You can put that up front, posts, comments, whatever. And then we go down to posts. Posts are your blogs. You can just click add new post, or you can do it from up here. Let's go down to your media library. And this is where you store all your images, videos, PDF files, whatever you need. Obviously, images and videos, you can upload that directly through your website builder. PDFs, usually I just drag and drop PDFs directly into the media library. And then, for example, let's say this is a PDF file. I mean, this is JPEG, but just as an example, if it's a PDF file and you want to add a button for somebody to download that PDF file, you add it in your media library. You just copy the URL, and then you'll add that to your button on the website. Then we go down to pages. This is where you add your pages. Right now we have some here, some example pages that I created: about us, contact us, home, privacy policy, services. If you want to add new page, you go up here, add new page, and you can call this whatever. Let's say team, publish, and this should be right here now. There it is. That's your team page. All right, so let's go down to, okay, we can look at this as well. This is your comments. Somebody leaves a comment on your blog, you'll see that here. And this is Astra theme. So this is something I already installed, but here I'll show you how to do that. So the way you install your theme, so you go to appearance, themes, and here you would, let's say you don't want to use this one, you can go to add theme, and you can search from a variety of themes that you can install. Now, I wouldn't just go and install any theme. You want to think about what kind of plugins, what type of payment processing you're going to be using on your website, because not every theme is going to play well with whatever plugin you're going to use. So for example, a lot of times I'll go with the Astra theme is because I know that Astra theme works well with the SureCard payment processing plugin. But if it's a simple website, I might go with the Hello theme. So let's go, okay, for example, let's install the Hello theme so you can see how that works. You hit activate. And now you got your Hello theme installed here. An Astra theme. You can leave it as a backup theme, or you can go and delete it. All right, that's how you install themes. Now let's go down to the plugins tab. And this is where you can really expand your website with all the plugins. And there's so many available plugins out there. So let's get started here with plugins. Let's install Elementor because we're going to use Elementor in our next tutorial. We'll hit install. It's taking a little while here. And hit activate. And now we got our Elementor right here. All right. So now let's go down to users. This is where you manage all your website users. So obviously right now it's just me, but if I want to add somebody, I'll click add user. Here, let me show you that again because I did that kind of quickly. So we'll go add user, that's up at the top. And you can create username. So let's say Tom, there's a new user, Tom at, well, actually, let's not type in a random email address. Let's say Tom at sitespro.net. Because if you type, once you type in this email and you add a user, they will get an email from this website. First name, just use my name. As you powered up web. And you can generate a password, or you can type in whatever. And down here, you select a role. So what is Tom's role? Is he a subscriber? Is he a contributor, author, editor, administrator? Let's say he's an editor. And then we click add user. And we don't need to save that. It's just an example. So now we have Tom here. Now Tom is an editor. All right, so now let's go to the settings tab. The settings tab, this is where you can change your site title. Now you can also edit this within the appearance, customize, or you can do it here. So this website title, let's say it's called Sites Pro. Tagline, we build websites. You can choose a site icon. You got your admin email address, membership. Now this is if you use a plugin that requires logging in, you can choose, do you want anybody to be able to register or not? If you want to give anybody permission to register on your website, you just click anyone can register. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. You got a lot of options here. Now this is an important one. Before you start building your website, you want to select your home page. So you will click static page, home page, and then you can select. So obviously we have a page called home. So that would be our home page. And then you click save settings. Permalinks. You can choose how your pages are displayed. I usually go with post name. Click save settings. Then you got your privacy settings, media settings. I just leave it as it is. And that is your WordPress dashboard overview. It's very simple. There's really not much to it, but we will go into more detailed explanation of some of these plugins and tabs. But for now, you're ready to start building. So all you got to do is go to pages. You can select the page you want to start editing. You can click edit with Elementor for quick access, or you can click on home. And then up here, you also see edit with Elementor. And that is it. We've explored themes, customizer, and you've even installed Elementor. So in the next video, we're going to dive into the Elementor basics, drag and drop, and how to design your website without using any code at all. And we're going to do all of this with the free version of Elementor. Wait, before you head out, I want to give you the free copy of my new book, Solopreneur's Guide to Agency Success. This book is on Amazon, but I'm giving it away for free because it's a perfect early access guide to my upcoming course on webagencyplaybook.com. So click that link in the description and see you in the next one.